How to add logo to Wix website. So there are two ways on how to do this. First is to add logo to your website, and the other is to add a logo to your Wix header. So the first method is to log into your Wix account, and you will see this column here on the left side portion of your screen. Here just select the site and app and then choose website. So if you have multiple websites, just go over to the website that you want to edit and then click the select and edit button. But for me, I only have one website, so I will go immediately and search for logo and then select the logo settings option. And from here, click this add logo and then click this upload media button. So from here, you can drag and drop files or you can upload directly from your computer. Now select the logo that you want to upload by tapping onto that file and then clicking open. So after the file has been uploaded, just tap on that file and then click this button choose file. So in this area, you will see your logo. Now once you're done, click the save button. So the next method is to click this edit site button to that website that you want to edit, which will direct us here on Editor Wix. So to upload your logo, just click this button found on the left side portion of your screen, which is Add Elements, and then select Image, and then go to Upload Image. So in this prompt, you may drag and drop files or upload from your computer. Select the file or photo that you want to upload. Now once that file has been uploaded, click Add to Page. So you can resize the image and drag it to header. And so that is how you add logo to Wix website. Thank you and have a great day.